In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Rithmic Trader Pro account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to rithmic.com. Once from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to go over to the right hand corner and go over to see where you can see free demo for new traders. And once you click on that, you should be able to go down to start your 4-day free trial. And don't worry, you don't need credit cards to sign up. From here, you'll need to enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, you'll need to create a password and confirm it, your phone number, country, street, city, state, zip, and you'll need to add this capture code right here, and then just sign up for Rithmic's free 14-day trial. Once from here, you have created all this, you'll need to click sign up for a Rithmic free day trial. And from here, you'll simply need to go into that specific email that you have pasted inside of the application page and verify your email address. Now from here, you'll be able to go inside of the Rithmic Trader dashboard and you'll be able to download it onto your PC. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!